friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Rukma. I'm going to make how to make a sensory bottle. Come, let's watch. If you are watching my channel at the first time, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification. If you are watching my channel at the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of my videos on the time when I upload. Don't you know what's a sensory bottle? Here we go. It is a water bottle filled with materials that create a fun sensory experience for babies and special kids. Someone shake the bottle to make the object move. In making the sensory bottle, children improve the fine motor development by grasping and picking up of the small object and placing into the bottle. When we shake the bottle, the kids follow any object inside the bottle. Example, these weekends that make the baby or the children interest on it, while following the object make the children to improve their attention and concentration on it. When we give an activity, any activity to our child, especially our disabled child, just first of all give them sensory stimulations, because activity given after the sensory stimulation, then the concentration and attention is higher for the children. Come friends, let's get into the video. First of all, let's see the materials required for the activity. Here I take a bottle, a transparent bottle. There is no stickers or any print. Remove sticker and print with a remover. A clean bottle made with woolen thread. Pens with different color. Gilt powder. Cutter. Let's see how to make a sensory bottle. Here I take the bottle, remove the lid, take the sweetens and get it into the bottle. And pour the water slowly. First of all, I pour the water a little bit. I didn't fill the bottle. Then we put the woolen thread, small pieces of woolen thread into the bottle. And shake a little. See, what a beautiful. Don't you know what? While doing this activity, the child's increase their concentration and eye-hand coordination very much. I put the gilt into the water. Then I get the crayon wax on it. Put the balls of the woolen thread into it and fill the water into the bottle. At last, if required, we put the hydrella on the water. We fill the bottle with water. Replace the lid. Here our sensory bottle is ready. Look at this. What a beautiful, colorful. So, hello friends, I mean that you liked my video. To all of them, try this video at your home. It is very easy and also low cost materials I am using here. So, I come soon. Interesting activity on the next video. Till then, bye.